Hello guys, today we are walking Dash. He's adorable.
Hey, can you show your viewers me?
Come on, guys.
Make sure to like and subscribe.
Let's go walk the dog.
Okay, Dash.
Can I hold this?
You?
Yeah. Just hold this quick.
This ball is shaped weirdly. Kind of looks like an octopus's organs. Okay.
Yeah. Come on! We can do this.
Ball till we're inside.
Okay, hold it.
Dash. Oh, he's peeing.
Oh.
Good, that's good.
He peed.
Good boy, Dash.
Okay,
Remember, you're supposed to make him.
Oh, he's adorable. Hi, come on, let's go.
Dash.
He is the bee,
here.
baby, the
I
new
said, come here.
internet meme.
Are you deaf? Give me Dash. Come here.
He isn't stuck.
I didn't say he was. Good job for going pee. Good job.
You force fed him. Come.
I didn't. WD-40, eh? Okay. Be very careful for the other dogs coming in.
She's so happy to see dogs right now.
Yeah, they all.
Oh, hi.
Wait.
Yeah.
Hi. Come.
There we go. And that's a beagle.
Three dogs. There's 3 dogs in the park today. Oh, there she is. She goes. Beautiful dog.
There's lots of small dogs here at 12 o'clock.
Yeah.
Yeah. All the same ones too.
Huh.
You guys.
Smelling each other.
Okay. So you guys have to get Dash to go down there.
Dash.
and go
Dash.
play.
Come.
Get him
Come,
away
Dash.
from the doors because he likes to come out.
Come, Dash. Come. Dash. Come. Come, Dash. Dash. Come. Come, Dash. Oh. Dash. Dash. Come.
Hey, you
Come,
both
Dash.
can't be calling him.
Oh, he's a good doggy.
Wait till he's busy saying hi to the dogs. Yeah, he wants it.
Dash. New dogs are coming in.
Okay, if you don't keep his attention, you're gonna lose it. Trust me. He's a puppy, so he's all over the
Dash. Come. He's adorable. They're all puppies. Oh.
Oh. She's 9 months as well. The beagle.
Oh, okay, nice.
Oh. He's getting dagged.
Yeah.
Dash. Dash. No, I need to go. But Dash. Dash. Let him be. Dash. He's more interested in dogs than that ball of yours. Dash.
You're calling him for nothing. He didn't even see it.
Gotta go. JJ, your ball is over here. I don't know if you can see him, but he's over there. Oh, the wrestling. Oh. Oh.
Carson, JJ, let him associate with the dogs first because he ain't noticing you at all.
Yeah.
Hey, Gigi, Rita, go girl.
Hello.
I got a magic ball here with a card and
They're here.
Dash. 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 Come. Come, Dash. Oh. There he is.
Okay, where's the ball?
JJ has it.
Ball or ID, JJ. So he's very oriented to the smells with the dog. Yeah, I hear they will never leave you alone treats.
But that's the idea.
Jean, come. Or Ivy, come.
Hey.
Ivy. This way. Ivy.
Go get it. Go get it.
Come on. Come on. Go get it. Here it goes.
One sec.
Those other dogs are drowning.
Ta-da! All these normal little dogs. Go!
No more treats, Dad.
Hello.
Not eating enough at home, so no more treats.
Oh, that's no problem.
Dash, come.
He's chewing a lot, but not his food. There's hardly any meat on these elk ribs that I got him from the pet store. And he's been chewing a lot on those, so his food today is really like hard from the bone. But yeah, he's got to eat his. Hey. Yes.
You're so cute. Oh, you're soft.
His name is Dash.
He's a baby. He's 9
What's his
weeks.
name?
Dash.
Dash?
Dash.
Hey, Dash.
Yeah. I thought the dogs liked me earlier, but I had treats in my pocket for the first time.
Well, that always helps.
Yeah, they always smell.
Hey! Oh, he loves
You
it.
got the ball? JJ! JJ!
Dash, come.
Yeah.
Come, Dash.
Why didn't you have
Come.
it already?
Come, Dash. Dash. Come. Come, Dash. Oh, yeah.
So you have to let him notice, but he's going to lose attention because
Dash. Dash, come.
Carson, he didn't see it. So what?
There he
Yeah, I
goes. He saw it. Hey, hey, boy. Now, Dash. Get it. Dash. Dash. Hey, Dash. Dash. Hey, Dash. Dash. Oh. Dash. Ball. Woo. Yeah. Go get it. Da, 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 da. Pass it to me. Pass. Come. Come. Come, Dash. I'll be right back, amigos. He is very stern.
I think.
Ooh, JJ just did a first fetch. The stick chase. Da 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 da.
Is your video still going?
Yes. Stick chase. Come on, race. No. Keep away the stick. Come. Come, Dash. Hey. No, don't share. Oh,
I gave the other dog.
he likes it. He likes it. Oh, he likes the stick. Oh, yeah, he likes the stick. Oh, he likes
A
stick.
stick for a dog always solves the problem.
He likes sticks. Let's go see the other dogs. They are chasing around the garbage can. Dash is over there. Enjoying his stick. Mom's over there. Come! Come, Dash! Dash, come! Come, Dash! Look at this. Hi. Oh, good boy. Come on. Dash. 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 He doesn't really interested in stick. He really wants you.
Look at all those dogs.
Hi. Come. Come, Dash. Oh. He sees that.
I found a big stick.
Oh, yeah. Have a game of.
Oh, that tiny dog has a huge stick in his mouth. Go get the stick.
Are you serious, Barbara? I'm a Grandpa Peter fan. I'm a grandpa. Oh, did I itch? Itchy. Oh, you itchy. Okay.
Oh, here's a big
Come.
stick for Dash.
Enjoy the stick.
Enjoy the stick.
Give me the stick.
No, no.
Give me the stick. Tug of war.
Okay.
Oh
Okay, fine, you can have that one. Well, I get this one.
yeah, you want to fight? Come.
I got a stick for a dog.
Look how this stick looks.
Great.
Hey, it's kind of like a bow and arrow.
Yeah, it's nice and bent. Dash!
Dash.
Look at the boys have. You have to get his attention.
Hey,
Dash.
Dash.
Look at me, JJ. He can't hear Dash. He can't hear that. You have to be louder and assertive.
Dash.
He has his stick.
Okay, he has this.
Well, Carson's sitting down. You're standing up, so give him yours. JJ,
Dash.
get him to chase you now. Get him to chase you. Okay, now throw it. Well, you didn't see it. Go, get him to run with you.
Dash, come.
Don't call him. He's playing with JJ. You're the one sitting on your butt. There you go. There you go. You see? You have to know how.
Oh, he sees it. Oh, he sees it. There's a stick. He sees the stick. He's asserted by the stick.
Yeah, look at the beagle there. That's cute.
He stole the stick.
Throw it again. Make sure he sees you.
Do you see that hop?
Isn't that cute? Hi, you.
Hi.
I'm not sure, but I think he's a hound, a basset hound. Hi.
Oh, he's a turtle.
Yeah, you smell treats, don't you?
Hi. Oh, you good boy. Oh, hi, you good boy. Hi. Oh, you shoot.
So is this one yours? What is he, a basset hound? Yeah. Hey, I got it right. I don't know. The fox.
Make a home. I'll record another video of cute #cute part 3. Adios. Closing. Credits to
A
Carson,
lot of people
Jaden,
have treats in their pockets.
Dash.
And that's why they do that.
Yeah.
the
and I-
doggers,
Yeah, that's
doges,
Yeah.
beggars,
Yeah,
rock,
especially with
paper,
that type of
scissors,
dog, she smells
shooters,
everything.
burgers.
Oh yeah, the